Before the first God drew his breath and spoke, before the priest could sell you fear to choke, the atoms fell through infinite dark space, colliding, binding, forming every face. No divine hand arranged the stars above, no Juno spite, no Venus ordering love. The thunderbolt is not a god's command, it is the world, and now you understand. Throw off the weight of heaven's heel, the universe is real. Not wrath, not will, just matter in its motion. Not fate, not sin, just atom, void, and ocean. Rerum, Natura, the nature of all things, the truth that cuts the rope, that superstition strings. Rerum, Natura, no Tartarus below, no Elysium above, just the world we know. The fear of death is nothing, the gods have left us nothing. Rerum, Natura carries on. What is the soul but matter, finding light dispersed like smoke? The moment ends the night. Lucretius walked the crumbling Roman street and saw a world of terror incomplete. They slaughtered Iphigenia at the stone, for wind, so ships could sail for home. Tantum religio patuit swerderim alorum. So much of evil flows from pious sorrow. Throw off the weight of heaven's heel, the universe is real. Not wrath, not will, just matter in its motion. Not fate, not sin, just atom, void, and ocean. Rerum, Natura, the nature of all things, the truth that cuts the rope, that superstition strings. Rerum, Natura, no Tartarus below, no Elysium above, just the world we know. The fear of death is nothing, the gods have left us nothing. Rerum, Natura carries on. Death is nothing to us. What was dissolved cannot suffer, what has no senses cannot grieve. You slept before you lived, and did you weep in that darkness? Then why do you tremble at the darkness waiting at the end? He wrote 6 books to free us from the chain that priests and doggers wrapped around our brain. But Rome kept burning altars, reading birds, and Lucretius died, forgotten by his words. The irony cuts deep across the years. His atoms scattered, his philosophy in tears. Yet here his lines remain, still sharp as knives. 2,000 years of atoms still alive. Rerum, Natura, the nature of